This is a simple math. Many people mistake the answer. They say 6 times 2, and that gives us 12, divided 3 times 4, and that gives us 12. And therefore, 12 divided by 12, that's simply 1. But this answer is not correct because we have not followed the order of operation called PEMDAS. So, how do we solve this question correctly? So let me write the question again. When working with PEMDAS, we are to solve from left to right. So the first step would be to solve this question here. 6 times 2, and that gives us 12, divided by 3 times 4. It is true that multiplication and division have equal priority, but we are working from left to right, so we must solve 12 divided by 3, and that gives us 4 times 4. And the final answer is equals 16. And this is the correct answer. And here is the last mistake people usually do. They forget to subscribe. Please kindly subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed. Thank you and see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.